guys, we're here at sPOD today. We're going to take a tour with John and Cindy and show you their facility. And then we're going to put an sPOD in the Gladiator today, so let's go have some fun. Okay guys, we're here with John today, and John's going to take us on a tour of sPOD.
Hey guys, welcome to sPOD. Let's go take a tour of the place. I guess this is where we get a lot of our plaques from donations that we do for local charities and things. This is our main assembly facility here. This is where everything comes together for final assembly, where we take all of our components and combine them to build the systems as you see them as they go out the door. So the way it works is we get parts and we bring them in and we assemble them on the table in different sections. And what we do is kind of line them all up here on the table as we build them, put them together for kits. These are our touchscreens here. And as you can see over here, these are where all our sources are. We have them lined up by the type of model numbers. These are some of the JK's universal systems, 6 switches, 8 switch systems. Over here is some of our switch panels that we have. These are all, of course, for JK's, but we have a lot of universal systems too as well. Our modular switch panels that we have here. They're all marked and identified. Over here, we're getting ready to write up orders. This is where orders are coming in. We're getting ready to process them now, building the systems. You see more orders here on our racks that we're getting ready to put together and ship out. This is our test bench where all the testing happens. This is where we put the systems on test bench and test every single portion of it before we ship it. And this is where all that happens, and it gets boxed up and then goes to our shelf packs. This is where orders are pulled and put on this bench too. We have all the custom actuators and rockers and things like that for the customizing your switches. These are our shelf packs over here for the larger stores that are stocking and small shops that are stocking our products. Put these on the shelves. They look really nice. They stand out, so they pop. They got nice, labels on them. Everything's barcoded and identified. Over here we got Josh doing our shipping right now. He's boxing up some systems to ship out. Yep, he's got a Bantam system there he's working on. Getting ready to put it all together. So we're assembling some of our switch panels here. These are 8 switch panels. See the back of them. Just before they get the rockers put on them.
Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. And we'll be seeing you soon on another episode of Jeep 411.